Sheesh. Listen, guys, one of the most expensive things in this economy is a broken mindset. Listen, meaning that when you have an opportunity in front of you, you either take action or you either don't, right? You gotta listen to people that have the results that you want in life, surrounding yourselves with these people, listening to them, walking step by step with them, man. You know, these are the people who are gonna help you get you to the next level. But it's a very expensive thing. For example, you know, before Yahoo had an opportunity to buy Google for a couple $1 million, and you know, Yahoo said, no, that's too much money. So then, you know, over the time, like I think like 4 years later, they had another opportunity and they declined it because it was too much money. But, you know, short moral of the story, Verizon comes up, literally buys buys Yahoo, literally for $3.5 billion when they had a $40 billion opportunity. And literally, so what I'm trying to tell you is, when you have a broken mindset and you don't actually take action when the opportunity is right there in front of you, you hesitate, you put things aside, you're leaving opportunities on the side and you're letting them slide by you know, your head. So you gotta understand, in life, when an opportunity comes to you, you gotta take action. You gotta get on the movement, man. You know, for another example, Mark Zuckerberg, before he created Facebook, he had 3 people that got invited to this opportunity, a few people. And I believe what? A few people took action on it, right? You gotta believe the vision, man. When there's an opportunity that sounds so good to be true, just do it. Ask questions later. Trust me. I'm out here about to grab some food. It's been a long day today. Shot some content earlier today. And man, so there's a Miami game. Miami lost. But I didn't go watch the game and I got stuck in traffic, momentary traffic. Literally, I live like in this building over here. And it takes like 5 minutes to get to my house. And it took me like a whole hour just to get to my place because I had traffic to go through. I didn't even go watch the game. But yeah, man, just out here grabbing some food right now. About to grab some Cuban food. I'm so excited. But other than that, I threw some content, man. Some really, really good content for you guys. I hope you guys are ready for that because it's going to be released really soon. So be ready for that, man. Let's get it.